Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a PDF file to TXT format using Wondershare PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will convert it to text format and select this convert option, this menu bar, and here you will find this image option. Click here and this dialog box, click this down arrow and scroll down. Here you will find this TXT format. Select. Now select setting option. Here you can change setting language. You can convert all page or custom page and scan PDF and so on. Now select OK and you can save source folder or specific folder. I'll remain the source folder. Now select OK and converting and open this file and see this PDF to text format now converted. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.